Hi, my name is Vae, and my project is about cellular respiration. So cellular respiration is the metabolic process to creating ATP, which is used as energy to power reaction in the body. So cellular respiration has three main steps. So our first main step is glycolysis, which is located in the cytoplasm, which is around this area, and is anaerobic, which doesn't require oxygen. So glyco means sugar and lysis means breakdown of, meaning that glycolysis is when sugar molecules, which is the product of photosynthesis, is broken down into the product of 2-pyruvate, 2-ATP, and 2-NADH, which will be used later for the third main step of cellular respiration. Now, the pyruvate reaches the mitochondria through active transport, through which it reaches an intermediate stage, also known as pyruvate oxidation. When pyruvate reaches the mitochondria, the pyruvate is oxidized into acetyl-CoA, and carbon dioxide, or CO2, is released, and NADH is formed. The acetyl-CoA produced is important for the next main step, which is the second step, known as the Krebs cycle, or the citric acid cycle. The Krebs cycle is located inside the mitochondria and is aerobic, which means it needs oxygen. The acetyl-CoA is oxidized into 2-ATP, 6-NADH, and 2-FADH2, which the NADH and FADH transfers electron to our next and third main stage, which is oxidative phosphorylation. Remember the NADH produced in glycolysis? The electrons are also transported from that stage into the next stage of oxidative phosphorylation, which has electron transport, chain, ATP synthase, and chemomeiosis. So the oxidative phosphorylation is located inside the mitochondrial membrane and is an aerobic process, which means it also requires oxygen. The electrons transferred from NADH, FADH, is used to create a proton gradient, to which protons are pumped outside the intermembrane space, to which travels to ATP synthase, which makes ATP through adding phosphate to ADP, or adenine phosphate, to which chemomeiosis is when protons travel down their electron gradient to ATP synthase, to which makes ATP. Now oxygen, which is also from the product of photosynthesis, is coming into play as it's the final acceptor of electrons binding to 2 hydrogen forming water. Our final product would be 32 to 34 ATP and water. So ATP is right here.